At A+ Japanese Auto Repair in San Carlos, we do work on check engine light repair. So what is that exactly? You could go to O'Reilly's, you could go to a local parts house and they'll pull a check engine light and they'll pull a code for you. Now, that gets you started. That gets you in the area or the vicinity of the issue. But we don't yet know what the issue is. So this is where the diagnostic comes in. We'll have to go into that area and start testing components. We'll look for anything that's, first of all, obvious. Has something come off the road and damaged a sensor? Has there been a rat that chewed through a wire? Is there a connector that just didn't get seated properly and maybe it's loose? So we're going to start with the general components, look at the obvious things first. Then we check for grounds, we check for proper power, we check for connections. Again, we're thinking about the dollars and cents savings for the client, and we're thinking about doing this in the most efficient manner. Let's start with the obvious things first. At that point, we'll move into more advanced diagnostic. We'll be ohm checking a component. We might be looking at waveforms as the engine's turning. We're looking for certain spikes or certain readings from the vehicle, and we just keep going until we find that problem. Typically, we'll charge you an initial diagnostic fee, and that'll cover most diagnostic work. If it's a lot more detailed, we will call you and say, this is what we've checked so far. Here's our next course of action. Do we have your permission to move forward? And if so, we'll keep getting after that problem until we find it. So we hope to have a chance to work with you and your vehicle here at A+ Japanese Auto Repair in San Carlos.